Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. We are now in the second part of the learning adventure through adjectives. Don't forget to check out the first part of this adjective series. Just click the icon in the top right corner of this video. In this video, we will talk about the two categories of adjectives and how they are used to convey the intended meaning and level of comparison in your sentences. Are you excited to learn? Once again, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted about other review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. There are two categories of adjectives: gradable and absolute, or non-gradable. Gradable adjectives may express different degrees of comparison. They can be used in equivalent, comparative, and superlative forms to compare or emphasize the degree of a particular quality. In equivalent adjectives, the modifiers are equal or comparable intensity applied to two noun phrases and are communicated by adverbs equally and similarly. Examples are: Nelson and Vincent are similarly excellent in their studies. Swimming is as good as playing basketball. In comparative adjectives, the modifier for one noun phrase has a greater intensity than the same modifier applied to another noun phrase. Examples are: the red car is faster than the blue car. This movie is more interesting than the one I watched last week. In superlative adjectives, the modifier for one noun phrase has the greatest intensity among all other noun phrases to which the same modifier is applied. Examples are: the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Sherry is the smartest student in her class. Absolute or non-gradable adjectives, on the other hand, may not be modified like the gradable adjectives. In simple terms, they do not contain comparative or superlative forms like the gradable adjectives. They do not admit comparison, nor do they occur with intensifiers. For example, she painted a perfect picture of a serene landscape. Perfect is the absolute adjective and it does not have a comparative or superlative form. Another example is: their love felt eternal. It knew no boundaries of time. In this case, eternal is the absolute adjective. Now we are done studying the two categories of adjectives: gradable and non-gradable adjectives. At this point, it is time for another set of practice tests. To test whether you understood the topic, try to answer the practice exercise. Identify the adjective that correctly fills in the blank. For number 1, the coffee is blank today than it was yesterday. What is the appropriate adjective in the sentence? Letter A, hot. Letter B, hotter. The correct answer is letter B, hotter. Hotter is the correct adjective in the sentence because we are comparing the temperature of the coffee today with the temperature of the coffee yesterday. Therefore, we use the comparative form of hot, which is hotter. The use of hotter indicates that the coffee's temperature is higher or more intense today than it was on the previous day. For number 2, that was the blank joke I've ever heard. What is the appropriate adjective in the sentence? Letter A, funny. Letter B, funniest. The correct answer is letter B, funniest. In the sentence, we use the superlative form of the adjective, funny, which is funniest, indicating the highest degree of humor among all the jokes the person has ever heard. The use of ever in the sentence emphasizes that the joke is the most humorous one they have encountered in their entire experience of hearing jokes. For the last item, the law of gravity is blank and applies to all objects. What is the appropriate adjective in the sentence? Letter A, universal. Letter B, particular. The correct answer is letter A, universal. The appropriate adjective in the sentence is universal. It means that the law of gravity applies universally or without exception to all objects with mass in the universe. It is a fundamental principle that governs the gravitational interactions between all matter. All right. That's pretty much it. Were you able to answer all of the items correctly? If not, you can still repeat this video and learn once again. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.